Hey squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a mini fridge. And for the one that we got right here is from the brand called AstroAI, and this is their 10-liter mini fridge. So definitely enough space for you guys to put up to 15 cans in here. And you see right here they probably got some of the specs and feature that's on here. So definitely have the energy saving option, low noise, a cooling option, a warming option, super compact and easy to actually carry around, and it's definitely eco-friendly as well. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can definitely see how the product is well protected and everything. But let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you can definitely see how the product is wrapped up in a little bag. So let's take out the bag first. Alright, so once we take out the bag, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely see the brand logo in the front. And definitely on the top part right here, we do have a handle. So that way, if you guys want to carry around, you can definitely do that on here. And definitely the way how to design the front part, it basically works as a mirror as well. You can definitely see my reflection of the light that I'm using right now. But when you guys turn it this side, you can definitely see that there's a handle option for you guys to open it up. So once you guys unlock it, you can definitely open up the inside. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like in a second. But I want to show you guys the outside of the product first. So this actually looks like on this side. This actually looks like in the back. If you see in the back right here, we do have like the cooling fan, the warming fan, and etc. And then basically in the bottom right here, you see we do have the plug outlet and the switch. So we do have the switch for you guys to turn it on or turn it off in terms of the warming option or cooling option. And they do have the indicator light to show you guys which one you guys are using. So if you guys are using cooling or warming, and right underneath that, they do have the eco mode on here. So you definitely can turn on eco mode or you can turn it off. And right underneath that, they give you guys the option to plug in an AC cable or DC cable. And the cable should be provided for you guys inside. But that's definitely really cool. So that way, if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or even in your car, you can definitely use it almost anywhere. And definitely see the top part here, we do have a handle option. So when you guys take it out, you can definitely use the handle option on here. But when you guys are done, you can put it back down. And that way, it should save a lot of space and nothing's like sticking out. If you see in the bottom right here, this is what the bottom part looks like. So now let me actually open up the inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. So if you guys unlock right here, that is basically what the inside looks like. So definitely have like the instruction manual, the cables and everything else. And they do have like the sealing option on the side right here to actually fully seal the product. And also you can see right here and right here, they provide guys a small little tray. So that way you can put it right here to actually hold like small little stuff. So basically for the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in white as well. And also if you guys notice right here, we don't have like a temperature control option. They do have one available if you do want that option. But definitely you can see inside right here is actually very spacious. So if you guys want to put like food, snacks, or even like a skincare product, you can definitely put whatever you guys want in here. But I'm actually put this down on a table to show you guys another point of view of the product. And then we'll probably set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys put everything together. So I'm actually going to do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so here is a close-up view of what the back part looks like. So you do have the warming option, the cooling option, the eco option, AC and DC option on here. And obviously inside we do have the cables and everything. So let's take it all out and then plug it in. Alright, so right here at the product, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So definitely you can see inside right here is actually very spacious. You guys do have the compartment right here. And they give you guys an option as well. So that way you guys can put it right here and lock it in. You do have a smaller compartment right here and also right here as well to put like smaller stuff. And then basically inside right here, they provide you guys both the AC and DC cable. They provide you guys one of the trays inside right here. They provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here we do have the other tray. So one of them is for here and the other one for here. And you don't have to use both of them if you guys don't want to. If you only want to use one, you can definitely put it right here and set that up. But I'm going to set up both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so that's the first one. Alright, and that is the second one. So definitely you guys have one section to put stuff on here. And then we have this section as well. And you definitely have the top layer if you guys want to. Or if you guys only want to use like 2 layers, you can definitely do that as well. So let's say if you guys want to take off this layer right here. You guys want to put stuff in the bottom. So maybe your cables. And if you guys want to put like your soda cans or your bottles or skincare products, you can definitely do that as well. So I'm just plugging the cable first to show you guys how to use it. So obviously since we're not in the car, I'm going to use this cable right here. So let's close it back up first. Turn in the back part right here. Alright, and then you're going to plug in the AC cable right here. Alright, so once you plug it in, you can definitely activate the product. So whether it's on the warming option or cooling option, you basically want to push a switch. So that is the cooling option. So I'm going to go get my temperature checker to show you guys how cool it can get in here. Alright, so I got my temperature checker right here. Let me just turn it around. Alright, so let's open up. So let's check the temperature inside first. So currently it's around like 68 degrees, but let's turn on the cooling option first. Alright, so once we turn on the cooling option, you can see the temperature is going down. So obviously when you guys have your door open, it won't work as well. So you probably want to close your door. But definitely you can see the temperature on here is going down. So it definitely does work. It definitely will keep your product cool inside. But now let's turn on the warmer option. Alright, so we got the warmer option on. So definitely when you see when I actually turn on the warmer option, the temperature definitely goes up. And it definitely heats up pretty fast as well. So definitely the warmer option definitely does work. But I'm going to turn back on the cooling option and put some stuff in here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so let's say if you guys want to put the soda inside, you can definitely fit it inside right here. And it fits just right. But if you guys have a bigger soda like this big, it won't fit inside right here. So that's when you guys need to take off one of these layers right here. And then once you guys put it inside, it definitely will fit. It definitely has a good support on here as well. So that way if you guys put heavy stuff on here, you don't have to worry about it. Another option if you guys to take this part out and put this on top. Let me show you what I mean. You can see it's definitely very spacious inside. So definitely like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to put like skincare products or like food, you can definitely do that on here. So if you can put like oranges, your apples, or whatever you guys want, you can definitely do that on here as well. You can see how it fits inside. And then in terms of the side right here, you probably want to put like smaller stuff. So maybe if you guys have like some chocolate or something, you can definitely put it inside right here. You can see how it fits there perfectly. And then you can close that up. So that is basically how you guys use the product on here for both the warming option and the cooling option on here. But definitely if you see the inside right here, it's very spacious for you guys to put a lot of stuff. And I definitely love how they probably got this small little compartment on the side as well to put more stuff. And also if you guys notice right now, when I actually turn on the product, it's actually pretty quiet. And that is because we have an eco mode. If I turn off eco mode, so definitely here the fan inside is actually working a lot harder. And that way actually will cool your product faster or warm it much faster as well. So obviously if you guys are trying to save energy, you want to turn on the eco mode. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. You can see everything on here definitely does work. And welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. I definitely love the way how they designed the product. It's so compact and portable. So that way if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or even when you guys are traveling, you can definitely use it almost anywhere. And also you can see the inside is actually very spacious. And I also love the fact that how they give you guys the AC or DC option. So that way actually give you guys the option to use at home, in the office, or even on the go in your car. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality mini portable fridge where you can store like your food, your skincare products, or anything else to keep it cool or keep it warm. Whether you guys want to use it in your apartment or if you guys want to use it in your car, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.